I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notifications button so every single time I upload a video, you guys will be notified. I'm super excited to share with you this week's vlog, so let's jump right into it. Happy Friday! What's going on, friends? I hope everybody is having a wonderful week or gonna have a wonderful weekend. Welcome to my vlog. I know I am very late this week, but I have been extremely busy, okay? So, and I had it planned for Wednesday, which is my day for my vlogs, and then I had it planned for Thursday. But what's crazy is between my full-time job and between doing orders, y'all girl has been busy. You hear me, okay? So every time I get done like 1 or 2 orders, another one pops up, or 2 more pops up, or 3 more pops up. So I have been doing last-minute holiday projects. So I do apologize for being late this week. And I'm just going to come on here to give you guys a brief update as to what's going on. So first, it's early in the morning. I know I'm looking a little rough. I mean, my hair is just, it won't stay upright. I mean, it's just been a morning. I got my teacup out. Wasn't even able to make my tea yet, so I am struggling. Anywho, so just a quick update on the radio station. So I talked to, I can't even say if it's lady or a man. It's the iHeartMedia radio station team I talked to earlier this week. They still don't have my schedule yet as to when my commercial will be playing, but they said they will notify me. So I'm like stalking my email to see what the schedule is going to be. It's a 3-day schedule. My commercial will play 9 times within those 3 days. So they're supposed to provide me a schedule so I can hear myself on iHeartRadio. So I'm waiting for that. Like, you guys, I'm literally stalking my email probably like every 30 minutes, refreshing on my cell phone just to make sure I haven't missed any emails or anything like that. I cannot wait to share that footage with you guys. So that's like my last big promotion or exposure for my business that I have this year planned. So I'm so looking forward to it. I hope they're able to get me in the rotation or in the cycle, you know, either this year or, you know, beginning of next year. I'm not sure when. They didn't really give me a time frame, but so I'm still waiting for the schedule. Like I just said a few minutes ago, my orders are coming in. You know, I'm super excited about that. Like yesterday, I just got an order to do a name on a stocking, Christmas stocking. So I haven't done a Christmas stocking before. So I had to watch a video last night. And who did I watch? I think Boricua something. I follow her channel. I have to add her name when I go back and I edit this video. I'll add her name, and she just so happened to be doing Santa Claus hats in the video that she posted. So I think she just posted yesterday. So I'm gonna attempt to try to do what she was doing to the Santa Claus hats to the stocking. What did she call it? She called it something. Daggone it. See, it's early. I don't have my little paper to remind me. I'm sorry, guys. So I will put the information for her video in my description below, so you can see what she was doing with the Santa Claus hats. So I'm gonna attempt to do it on the stocking. The only thing about it is I only have accessionals for embroidereds, and I was just thinking as I was talking, and she has the higher one. I'm not sure if my embroidereds will offer that, but I'm gonna find a way to get that name on that stocking. So I have that to work on over the next few days, and I have 3 orders in my Etsy shop that I need to do, and I have 3 t-shirt orders I need to do. So I'm just really busy and running behind. So, and then this weekend I have plans this weekend for my daughter, and I still need to wrap Christmas gifts. Anybody else running behind like this? You know, it's always like the last, you know, the week before Christmas is always the most hectic, right? So that's currently what I am working on now. Also, there's a few more things I want to share with you guys that I wanted to bring up. It's like 6:30 in the morning. I'm sorry. I'm not fully awake yet. I'm trying to get myself prepared for the day to do some things for my business. I have to upload another product on my website and my Etsy shop. I want to do that this morning before I start my full-time job. So I have like 1,000 things, and it's crazy because I have been up since like about 20:05. Do you guys know I laid there for like 45 minutes before I got in the shower and got myself all dressed and got going? I am the worst procrastinator, with everything. But, all in all, I do have the ultimate productive days. It's crazy. But I think sometimes just getting my days started, I'm like, oh, just knowing I have so much ahead of me. And then I have to try to be strategic when I do my projects, because my daughter loves my full attention, my little mini me. I just love her. So, and I understand. So I try to do things around, like when she's napping, like when she sleep, like, now she sleeps. So I try to get stuff done. So when she wakes up, before she goes to Brandy daycare, I'm spending that time with her while I'm, working my full-time job. And then when she gets home, I try to make that time and be better about it. My business is on my phone, so I try to make sure, like, I'm always holding my phone, and she'll come and push my phone down, so I try to do a lot of things to be better about my time, so my mini-me does not be effective everything that I have going on, or feel like, oh, mom is not spending enough time with her, so I try to do a lot. So I work off minimum of sleep. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to drag this vlog out too long. That's pretty much what I have going on this week. So I also have to go to the post office today and mail a Coco Melon shirt order that I did yesterday. I said I have 3 t-shirt orders. I actually have 4. I just forgot about the other Coco Melon shirt. You know what? I'm going to write a to-do list, so I don't forget anything, right? Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Friday. I do have my craft video that will be this weekend. Normally I try to get it no later than Sunday. Latest Monday. I try to be mindful, but So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me each and every single week. Don't forget to speak life into your business, speak it into existence, keep grinding, keep creating, and stay positive, stay focused, and stay in your lane. Don't worry about what anybody else is doing around you. You're here. So until next time, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me each and every single week. Take care, guys.